Hello guys, so we're here, best recording. Yep, fantastic. So today we're opening our K6 with the help of Mr. Mars and Mr. Bean over here. So Bean we just lent him a wheel to like home to learn yesterday, and today he came back, he can ride a wheel.
I'm making my mind with this one, K6.
Ah, okay. So Bean is like a sensation. He can learn it. He learned it. They're using one day. So and today we're gonna open it the K6 and set it up and go for a spin. Okay. Yeah. So I'm using my AI. What's that AI gimbal? So it's following. Look, so it's just following me. Yeah. Let's see my whole frame or everything. Oh, good. Okay. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Bean, will you give me? Actually, you have to open here. Okay, give me a second. I got the whole case of tools somewhere there. Yeah, take some tools, open it up. So the K6 comes in a box like this, heavy, and it's 100 kilos. So we couldn't. We're able to open this one here. The screwdriver, whatever. Careful, Mars. Yeah, anything. So when we went to pick it up at the docks, the forklift couldn't get into the van, so Mars and I had to carry it, lift it. Yeah, it's on here. So you have to put the screwdriver there, and there. Yep. And on the other side as well. You got an extra one on Mars? Anything flat to we just improvise in here. Anything at all. Okay. So are you still following me? Yep, good. Follow me. So, and on this side as well. So we had one of these sent to Tasmania. So as soon as it arrived, yeah, we sent one to Tasmania. As soon as it arrived, the courier came to pick it up and send it to Tasmania. Because we couldn't ship it straight to Tasmania, so we had to ship to Melbourne here first, to us, and then went to Tasmania. So, we're good. We might need a pair of pliers. You want some pliers?
We become very popular.
Yeah, with the ladies. Everything.
Really popular.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, good. You think you lift it up? Not yet. Yeah, I think that Uber has to go straight up. I get the hammer. Let's go straight up. And the hammer was got tools everywhere. Yeah. That's what I mean. So I had to hit it up here. Excuse the noise, people from home at home. Bean's got some tools there, I think. He's gonna give us a hand with the tools. Yep. So we can lift it. You got a screwdriver there, Bean? Make it a bit bigger here. Yeah. One. Two.
So open the box, it takes 30 minutes.
Yeah. But people watch, you see content they don't mind. We keep watching it.
Are you live? Live video now?
No, not live. I do live only when I write, you see, because I'm so busy, I have time to edit. So I go everything live. Okay, this one here. And should be able to open it now. Yep. coming over there. Whoa! That's beautiful. Let me just take the camera and bring it here. Follow the other guy. Good. Okay, now. Look at that. This is the K6. Beautiful. Okay, now it's a matter of lifting it. You think you guys can lift it, or should we break the box? Let's see. Yep.
Very heavy.
Beautiful.
You down handle.
You think
You can hold.
2 people can lift it maybe? Take the foam out first. Take the foam.
Oh, they hang on this one as well.
Take the foam first.
Tie.
Yeah, that's not a tie. You know, so we have the give me. So lock it up, and we got the start up there. And it's one up here as well. Here. Yeah. Yep. Good. Any more? Oh, good. Okay, lift now. Let's see. Whoa! Look at that. Amazing. Okay, so huge, huh? How was that?
I need to go to the gym.
To go to the gym. Just like this. Keep that out. Heavier. Yeah. Revolution. That's right. Yeah, it's going too fast. Yeah. Here. Now, this one here should go into for your friend. Yeah, take a photo. That's right. That's right. It's the future. This is the future.
You can make that. I think it's the noise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the future.
Oh my God, this can go camping.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now, let me just in here. Okay. Okay, so he's no, let me see. We have to measure how high you want it to be. Yeah, let me see. Are you gonna shoot down? Maybe a bit lower. Lower. Tell me when to stop there.
About there, that's it, because she's got the zip tie, so the cables don't get caught.
Is it okay? Move up. Maybe. Is it touching down yet? No. Maybe a bit lower, so you can see the road. How's that? Good. More?
Yeah, I reckon that'll do.
Okay.
Good enough.
Something like that. Beautiful. Look at the oil there, guys. Beautiful. The oil. There. It's oil brake. Okay, so let me start it up. It's about. Yep. Beautiful. Yeah, you can adjust it. Yeah.
You need a drill to pull it along.
Yeah. Not,
The specs?
it's I think 115 kilometers. I have to check the spec. Or 115 kilometers. Yeah. Fast enough to run away from your girlfriend. Chichi.
New scooter.
New scooter.
Sitting scooter.
Yeah, looks awesome.
Definitely illegal on the street straight away. You get there, you get caught.
You've got to catch you first.
Yeah.
You get the first step.
Okay, let's. Enough. Now we got to do. Take this one out first. Slowly, slowly. Yep. Yeah, and then this one here, the pedal. Tiny cute pedal. Look, guys. Cute. Yeah. Actually, you could replace them with the actual Begode pedal here. This one here. Install them here. We're same size. So I'm gonna get some of that. Turn it up.
No journey. You can ride straight out of the box.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Okay. Next, we have to plug the battery in here. Here, so can you bring a camera here, around here, maybe? Show you. Right here. Just go around here. Just yeah. So, yeah. Plug the battery in. We don't need to read instruction manual. We sort of go the flow. And you can tell we've done so many of the EUC and the e-bikes.
XC90.
90, yeah, 90. Okay, and plug it in. Ready, guys? It's gonna explode. Boom. Yeah. That's it. Put in there. And now, any other plastic? Oh, look at this. Nice stand. Beautiful stand. I have to tidy it up. And then ignition. Where's the ignition?
Is it electric? No ignition. Here you go.
Booklets. So it's done 300 meters. That's obviously 12 volt temperature. This mode 1.
What is the voltage? This one.
Voltage is 134.4. Yeah. Yeah, this one here is lights. Yep. Turn down a bit. Yep.
Throttle, you throttle?
Throttle. Oh.
Oh.
And then it's got two here. Yep.
Yeah.
Show the brakes. Yeah. So it's supposed to have different brake level here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There. So yeah, locked it in. 6, 1, put in 1, put in 1. Okay, that's it. So
I think I should have this one. Go for it.
ooh. Ooh. This is okay. Ready, Mas? I should have my helmet and my protection. But just a small ride here. A short ride. Whoa! That's the acceleration. We'll test the acceleration. Okay. We're testing acceleration, guys. Ready? Here we go. And whoa! Too fast. Wow, super stable. Who wants to have a turn? Bin, do you have a go? Go ahead. Go for it. I think you end up buying one of these. Hello? Just play with your toys. Be careful, okay? It's very, very fast. Yeah, yeah, and the brakes. use both brakes. Watch out for the car behind. So Mr. Bean's gonna give it a try. Very fast, so watch out. Top speed 115, so be careful. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay, Mr. Bean now, give him a go. Go Bean, go! Go! He's following me, he's following me. It's okay, so.
Tried to lock in on him, but
Yeah, no, it's my trusty AI gimbal. It just follows me anywhere. So we just tested the K6 there. Amazing speed, amazing acceleration. I think I'm gonna get ready for the Chinese people to come and visit us. Chi Chi, she's got something to ride. Just kidding. And we got I'm not sure you see me other wheels over there. We got basically the whole Begode family. Let's have a look at Bean here. What do you think? Big smile. Big smile. Tell us what you think.
Another toy on my wish list.
Another on your wish list. Okay. So give me a second. I'm gonna here for example. Okay. Mars, go for it. Get Mars have a go. What do you think, Green?
I think it's fun.
Lots of fun. It's very, very powerful.
In the bush or on the beach.
Yeah.
They take the from right the who lazy when to stand you can sit down.
Yeah. Beautiful.
I think we can change to the different mode.
Yeah, yeah.
So I accelerate slowly. Yeah?
Yes, yes. We change it later. We just haven't set it up yet. We just assembled it and went for a ride.
Manual needed.
No manual in it. Never. Here Mr. Mars coming. Whoa, careful, Mars. Have you take a video of it for the shuttle hung? How's it, Mars?
powerful.
Too powerful.
I have video of yours.
That's only on
Already?
one.
Yeah.
Imagine on like 3. Oh,
Mode 3, this is only mode 1.
mode 1, yeah.
Let me see how we change the mode here.
You mean only mode one?
Yeah.
Only mode 1.
Only mode one.
Okay, let's see how we change the mode here. I forgot. I actually not forgot. I haven't even checked how to do it. On, off and on. And then I had to remind you guys. I don't know how to change the mode here unless we connect to the Begode app, which you can't because we got the filming. But yeah, so here it is. The suspension here. You got the spring suspension. Here it's 1,500 pounds. The same suspension we use for our UC. 1,500 pounds, and you can tighten it there. Let's see how much. Yeah, beautiful. Now it looks like a better version of what I saw on the internet because everything is nicely refined. It's even the kickstand's got a plastic here compared to what I've seen. And the seat here, you can lower it like that. Yeah, like in the car seat, like that.
I wouldn't mind this one for Uber delivery.
Yeah, you can put the tray here for Uber delivery.
Legally? Delivery.
Wow.
Legally.
And the tire pumped up too. So it's all ready to go, guys. When you buy it, it's all ready to go. Just install the handle and just turn the power on and go. Beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna go for a ride now. The Extreme 6. Okay.
It's very heavy. How heavy is it? You know, the weight? No, you can carry it. Very heavy. No, you break it. No.
It's too heavy. Too heavy.
I think over 50. Or more.
Probably. Yeah. I'm gonna turn around to show the logo on the scooter. Yeah. So we got the K6. Keep evolving, amazing, isn't it? I like how we got the oil brakes here, and you can adjust different level here. Yeah, hydraulic. Yeah, the throttle here. Beautiful. Okay, guys, so if you're interested, hit me up, contact me, I'll get you one. Okay? Cheapest in the world. And it comes with a box of chocolate. Okay.
Come on, ECU Club, right?
EUC Club. Melbourne EUC Riders. Cheers.
What about one wheel, what the two wheels?
Okay, so Bin and I and the group are gonna go camping and we're gonna take the K6. We're gonna order a few K6 and we're just thinking of a way to load that up. So we're thinking this one's gonna be the back.
Yep.
Okay? But it'll be something like this. Like that, yeah? And then you're gonna go. Take it. Okay, you're gonna turn around. Back. Maybe on the side mask, you can see better on the side.
Go straight.
Okay. Okay, ready? You can push it back. You can go there, mask. So, no, you need to back here. Up there. Ready? Are we straight yet?
Okay.
Yeah, and up.
Yep. Can get in there. No
Easy.
Easy.
So we got two of these.
So in order to have this one, you need to have a van.
Yes.
Or the trailer.
Yeah. So back, come down.
Okay, come down.
So it's possible to put on there.
Yeah, possible to put in the van.
So we got a few orders for the K6 already. Beautiful. And for this one here, this is actually a very good one. It takes up to 400 kilograms. I got one for you already. Okay, so we fold this like this in 3 pieces. Most of the ramps can't fold, but this one can fold it like this. And you lock into here. Done. Ta-da!
Did you see anyone on the street this one?
No. So, good. Thanks, guys. So,
Yeah, it's very comfortable. Easy.
I think he's in love with it. Put the thing up and go for another ride.
Let's keep this one.
Okay, go for it. Bean is in love with it. So smooth, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very smooth.
I like the power delivery.
Yeah. Maybe I should have shown it to Bean. He's in love with this more. He just got a T4 brand new in a box, and now he wants this one too. He hasn't opened his T4 yet. Let's see. It's coming back. Yep. One hand. Yeah, it's very stable.
Very relaxing.
Very stable, yeah?
The back support very good.
Yeah,
You can just relax and support all the pushing around. Yeah.
beautiful, brand new.
Alright.
Alright, that's it, guys. So he's sold, he's getting one.
I skip one wheel. I got two wheels.
Yeah, he's keeping the T4, he's getting this one. Get both in. Okay, thanks, guys.